This is the new Crusader floor plan in the Crusader series. It's a 295 triple slide RST, so it's got the entertainment center in the back, or living in the back I should say. As we walk in here, right to the left, we're gonna have the kitchen area. Really nice, makes it convenient getting in and out. It has the island so there's no countertop blocking you to walk through, but nice big island as you can see. Of course, Crusader's kitchens that they set up in all of these with the nice big pots and pan drawers, lots of storage, cabinetries, things like that to be able to store and bring quite a bit of food with you so you can spend more time out enjoying instead of running to the store. This would be your entertainment center area that has the sound bar and of course more storage there either for entertainment or you could use it for food since it is so close, and so again some more storage there. Rear sofa, which is nice. You got the nice big opening windows here in the back, and of course you have the two side pillars there for being able to, or end tables to put stuff on or storage. Then what's nice with these is you got the actual most comfortable seating in the house is the theater chairs here, and those are directly across from the TV, so making that a great viewing area to sit back and enjoy that entertainment center there out camping. This here is going to be of course your dinette, your 4 chairs there standard, and then even over here there's a ton more storage, so lots and lots of storage in here. Again, one thing with the Crusaders is all the walls are laminated in these units, east-west walls and north-south as well, and then with the roof you can see how clean it is. They take that air conditioner and actually put that returns on the side, so it's 75% more quiet, 25% more efficient. Other part too is you can put another air conditioner in here if you want. All Crusaders come with 50 amp service, which is really nice, giving you the maximum power that you can get into these units right now and being able to use anything without something cutting out or shorting. So we can add another air conditioner into the bedroom area if you'd like, depending on where you're going, but you got that nice memory slash foam mattress here, very comfortable. It's a dual density type memory foam, and no inner springs in there. And then heading towards the bathroom, this is a Jack and Jill. We passed the bathroom on the left here. I was walking up into the bedroom area, but you have the wardrobe area here with the mirrors, and that'll take you into the bathroom. As far as the Jack and Jill part, come around this area, and there's a place to put another TV in the bedroom here if you'd like. But you got the nice corner shower, foot flush porcelain toilets, and then of course a nice little sink and medicine cabinet area here. This again is the 295 RES Crusader, one of the newest floor plans that they have just come out with. Come down, take a look if you're interested in this floor plan, and if you have any other questions, I'd be happy to answer them for you. And like always, thanks for enjoying my video, and my name is Josh.